Good morning. Ngado delay. Lengeto kungam sang dash delay. Yeah. Da te donchi joshana trasarwa. Chidangi tarishoge. Ya lang kunjo la soaji tap. Antene ma chene. Lega da shoro shola ani moratane. Jode roa ta nga tanda yesa pa downtown Kila la Toronto ge downtown Kila ane tashdele good morning tashdele ama zamar nyega live lewa da tashe da la cha ane ya ta kunjo sam ane shogengau hey brother tashdele ane mi mangbochige kalawra tarikasa chizo taja nanglo la bonjo chizo taja nanglo la nga active shoot yu da ro chidangi lega chide yu lega chigi an mi mangbochige ningja semde chigi do moda tangi ani tedon de machine yakodu la ne roya konzogi ngala ta shasa ningje chine di chiwara chena chik tabgyen la so dende chungure yene re 참참 yene tanga nyegi kadina deshe jeyro ngarangi lega de la chashawara jena ani nganzu lega di changma khaba thado la che ani khaba gani di cheche nganzu address che yina da ani chidangi lega yoro changma khaba gal chiwor di inde zambala di komde yerta nyegi chik samsam ngazo map ta la so wata customer dunzo nga kawayo la du zambala chik mido kabagal yene ta team tone ane hands free lairo hands free di kechimbu pere phone lakba juni deora jina team tola ani kara team torgore shemba chidangi ngazo gps tagyo na da ane camera tsugu na da langa gal camera jairo ya ngazo onde de na da dunzo ta team gigi me di tanda tiwa galarida ya onde de che ane chidangi nyege dango ngotep gala luwe roya ngarangi ta ama nyimo lawro mothers day la nani nge amel ama gi chetu ta ama korangi ta kalawre pe chibala shabji shudan da lo shindu gabla ani chik pedengi chedo chik simshu chidan da ani mezerhibu chikale gyabdan di nyege ta amaran la dedicate lawro ta sosogi amadi tsachimbu yindu zambala ani amegi ta chije di nyege ta 마직 되었다. 때로 담면 망고 쉬우지게 다르나 속바 라오르다. 망체다 다르나 속바다 오래다. 녜게 계절 찍라 다 고란서 콘도 찍라 사로 아니 가와레이나 계절 가리시기도 문도 마타와 제 람상 코라 독자 티샤이지로 온디 온데 인디 잠발라 디간라 테스트야 comment mangbo tigdra kari comment kari tigdla na comment end tigd hey tinzi she ani kirangi kala ore kirangi ama de serdo dus ta kö dudo dus la ne onde tigdra nyechigla tizechigla ro ngaze ama konzo lotion shin kapla ani kale kyap ro 그 랑징기 된다 라 탑수 치네 민도에 야미 엠베시 나로로 첨고난다 아니 직 망밀라 드로니 야나님도 레니마직 투야라기레 삼삼기 덴데기 레와갈라 망밀라 주난다 세쟁오고 데난다 미저히부직 엔데 치네 칼리 탑여 디 잡디 잠발라 배바 나란서 단다 망보 약고두 랑에 망보치기 뒤세치기라 아 콘서 겨울음보치 갑데레 우메람다 겐다레 덴데라네 랑젠 쯩게 레라네 로치소 낭로라 오네 코라 칼라오레 다 콘서 제도 저 통동치네로 치어 다 단다 온도 랑에들다 원데데 잠바 랑젠 카린 고마츠 우메람 카린 고마츠 겨울음보친기 공시 카린 고마츠 다 돈주 갑라 원데데 망보시네 따랑지 중에를 잠발라 직 민도에 아마 콘솔라 테스틱 나나 체로다 지단기 랑지 중에 창말에 다 단다 약고도 라이도 아니 키도도 라이도 니 카리나 카디나 칼라올라나 디지시 단다 셰데 교데 크란소 로 니슈 숨주 제라 오 미디기 니세기 탑시 지도와 삼메자 아구템바 별라 가르치는 레레 베베 미디 꾸과슈유데 잠발라 짱니에 체도 레로와 디다우치네 로아 안디 로니슈스 제라 따딘지 시키라 아 오네 코라 민데 니마 미디기 직 톰상에 지기 갈라오라 톰상에다 마순나 민도에 간줄라 셰다 셰샹 이나 간주 국탄에 베드코라 니민도 삼 다나 속과기 갸자갸라 이르다 디인데 잠바 단단히 망조라지 잠발라 제마 망조 야고 치네 폐게 제 망조기 고도 야고 지 시인데 잠발라 아니 시네 계란서다 원nen데 다디마도 셴바 갈라야 민도로 ngala mangboji tida amaser doji la pullu doji keshalane kiranso lu lananda khari lananda who cares ngala surchik dichago marta ta khari ina mena gami shungza kan tam leshe ya pango kyaro de ta kuncho sumtse matanda lega chine dini ma lemba lero kyargo ge gami shungza kan gilanga dinal ma zuish ding 다곤다 야보 거기다나 한 탐삽 지치다 당할 내가 지금 담 렘바 다데 레데 담발라 데 야미 슝잡 강담 레셔다 됐을 것 같다 마직도 당보 슝잡강 든 라팔롱공 데이터다 그건 just 미든서 님의 체면 오게 있다 보모친지 질랑데 시대 뭐다 지 가서라고 가서 지라나 아니 빼고 됐어. 맞지? 내 책도 삼삼라고 있어. You parked it really bad, man. Seriously. 미디게 야구찌에 가면 못 떠요. 여기 동이 가시고. क्या मैं शुंदा भार तदी टोरंटो के Chinese consulate चेरा I'm gonna park. Hi, how are you? Let me park my car. क्या मैं शुंदा भार रम लिस्टा ता लेगा चेने ले शोलरो न्योटा जिशेन जोशावरा Sembik monelainda kunzu gani kapar gavor dela tari kunzu kadina de par gav security camera nala check chigorra but leve shorwa क्या मैं शुंदा भार तदी Falun Gong, how are you? I'm from Tibet.
Yes, we can search on Google.
Yeah, I know. I come here protest every time, you know. Security, it's not open yet.
Yes.
Are they open?
No, but they people to do something online.
Okay.
If you want to do something, you should take a picture
Uh-huh.
and
No, I don't want to go anywhere. I just came here to, congratulate them, I'm on a live, right? I'm congratulating them, Because, you know why? Xi Jinping was arrested, no? That's a good news, like for them, I'm just here to congratulate, why Xi Jinping is, arrested. You know what I mean? I like it, I wanna know, Xi Jinping really arrested or not,
yes.
That's what I wanna ask. Nobody is here. I understand, like you guys have a problem. I'm from Tibet. And I have a problem too, You understand, right? And right now, in the name of COVID, they put everybody in a one house, no food. Seriously, right now, in Lhasa, like a capital city of Tibet, Lhasa, they put so many people. Yeah, a lot of no food, and food are smelly. Animal doesn't eat that. How can they provide a food like that? Nobody is looking after.
I know
That,
this.
but nobody is here. It's closed today.
No one.
Hello? Katito chik tisha tamangwa. Ta kunjo some jai kanja tisha. No security? Security men gather the machik pop shower, sir. Hi there, are you guys close? Are you guys close? I'm from Tibet. I want to talk to someone. Hi there. How are you? I'm good. Is there any way that I can speak to someone high level here? Because I need to talk about, I'm from Tibet. My name is Tenzin, right? And I need to talk about some issues. What's going on in Tibet?
I'm told they are closed now.
Oh, you are told that they are closed.
Yeah, for today. So nobody's allowed.
Is there any way that you can just leave them a message? Can you leave them a message that, can you write down on a piece of paper that, leave a message saying, brother, I understand you're working. I don't want to put you in a...
Instructed to do like
Yes.
allowed inside only the staff.
Right now, this morning,
Yeah.
I came here as a very frustration, right?
I
To be honest, because right now in Tibet, they put everything in the name of COVID. They put everything in a one house. And the food that they provide, it's a rotten and people are starving to death. And there is a kids, child, and everyone. Can you give this message to them, please? They have to, like in China, to the world, they're saying they are treating Tibetan very well. They are treating Tibetan, to the maximum luxury life. But this is not the luxury. Right now, the whole entire city is locked down.
If somebody comes outside, you can talk to. Even I'm not like allowed to talk to them. I'm just here. This is it where I'm gonna.
But that guy just, the guy just went away.
He just gave me the water. I asked him for water and toilet,
Okay.
and he gave me the water. Except he don't even understand me. I speak English. I don't speak Chinese, so he's speaking Chinese.
Okay.
I just told him I need water and I need to go to toilet. So he just
Because just let him know I'm from Xizang. So that's what they call it, Tibet, right? In Chinese. My name is Tenzin. I just came here to request that, make sure provide the food immediately right now, right? And if they don't provide that, tomorrow I'm gonna bring 100 people. And next day I'm gonna bring 1,000 people. Just please tell them that. All over the world. This morning brother, look,
I can
my-
understand, sir. Your
I swear to God, I feel like crying. Seriously, it's not about, it's just about a humanity.
I can understand.
You understand that, right?
Yeah, I can understand.
I swear to God, I'm not here to do any political whatever, like a thing today, which I am whole life.
I can understand.
I was born in a refugee. I was born as a refugee. I was born in a refugee camp just because of that stupid thing, politics going on, right? Whatever that is, they took our country. So now they are telling the world that they giving their best. Tibetans are happy inside Tibet. They are not. They are starving to death. And there is like a little kids, 1, 2, 3 years old. I swear to God. How do you feel?
I feel bad, but the thing is, I cannot. I wish I could help you. I wish I could.
Can you just, there is a one Tibetan guy came here with a lot of frustration and genuinely concern for my people.
You know what
If they cannot provide a rice,
If I'm gonna tell him that what you tell me, he's gonna just tell me that you just do your job, and he's gonna just.
I know, but the thing is that, as a human being, brother,
Yeah, I understand.
you know, like
I have
just
the power to help you.
just let them know that whatever I told you, please give this message, and I swear to God, whoever you believe,
I understand, sir.
okay,
I even
please.
understand your situation.
I am very frustrated. People are jumping from the floor because they are locked out inside and they are hungry and they are jumping from the floor. And if you don't believe me, just go on a social media in Lhasa lockdown and you look at anywhere. These are the image that it's very rare to come out. I am, as a Tibetan, speaking their message. They are giving me a message and I have to tell this. Before I tell the world, they have to take care of this. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand.
I'm recording this so that, it's in a record that I came here. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand.
Please tell them this. Hey, a lot of people right now, there is no food. In the name of COVID, what they are doing, they lock down everybody and the food that they're given, and people are jumping from the floor. They are telling, oh, we keep Tibetans are very happy. It's not happy, right? Anyway, take care. Good luck. Hello. Ngarge sada mazar kinzo live chigi yo de je de dipara de tesinga yamna de ya ko tewo me kansh anzo takarishi chige kala ro yönada gyangala yönada nganzu ligu ji pegodra ligu kari pegodlana nganzu pönang lo la yungi ge densapa yin la gora nganzu kunzu gi ta keda masuna kunzu gi kari shudu kari chigi yöna di zambulinga la nganzu gi ta igi da masuna igi kingi di yin la gora ya di indi zambala 다리 차시 된데다 가메 nga di leroa kati na nga di le de keji gam dugu kati na mangche ro nga di leroa keji gyu ro ya ine nganzu densa pa yin la go pyo nang la khang ba ga ni mi chom du tu pyo nang la kuji khala da de da dende shimbu khate me na nganzu pyo ba ro tsamba te da la ya dende mindu tsamba te ne di go la am pyo nang lo la thanda kangi yung de di thanda negap gi kangi da re 로 이네 미망고 찍던데 동아 딱게 겹사 요말 군주기 자자가니 깨갑 엔데 치윤드 잠발라 아니 캐나기 엠베시 consulate 레이로 캐나기 딱 간주 슝삽 가살이요 상말라 드론이로 간주기 덴데직 라와라지 나 간주기 디 교가 녀고요 와디 세월에 간주 출로라 딩에 둔주기 체도로 아니 갈라월다 ngazu chulo la denge dunse ge tangula wo dela drone ende chik lab ni lab sum lab mi mango chik lewara chi na lega tagaran chi legu dende do chinji pada de chinjure ine di kosa chik la kowara chi na di nechu de drosa chik la drowara chi na nang lo la nima chik mi tongda ngapchu tukchu tunchu kashege boom chik laidol hasa gangsa lockdown cheer laidol mi nagi yönada nagi menada kala la 사자 종의 창마 고베드레라니 주드 잠발로 콘솔라 칼라기 딜리버리 요마르다 로야 칼라킹이 요마르 칼라킹이 메드 잠발라 나게 이나다 마낭에 이나다 창마 온네 코라 따또 또니 시에디 갈년가 갈레데요 로야 또 저거 또니 시에기 년가 갈레데요 디 인드 잠발라 아니 칼라 워다 nganzu gi dende ji ke gyane kunzu nimachi khalangyo la rawaraji na da nganzu nimachi kunzu la chik mendo testik de doa miji imbe chan la yoda phebaji imbe chan la yme da ni doa miji imbe chan digaski topdan da yorwa di indi zambala nganzu kunjusum 흉기 레그 강고지 빼기민도 속받은 적이 레그 강고지 빼기민도 아마 배받은 적이 초알라차도 이신 우체 어머나 만조